Hey guys, Bryson from Trick Tools here. We're going to be starting something new for 2021, and that is what we call Trick Tip Tuesdays. So this is going to be a new way for us to be able to connect with you guys by giving you tips, tricks, and other information that's going to help you in your shop. So every Tuesday we'll be putting out a couple-minute long video, and some of the content we'll be putting out there are things like tool comparisons, different explanations on materials, project tips and how-tos, as well as tool usage and how to get the most out of your tools. So like us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel to be able to get the updates on when these videos come out every Tuesday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Tuesday.